Oh, holy crap, big hole. Okay, this is a challenge. Holy crap. Wow, that was a challenging hill. Looks like chip and seal up here. It is. Huh. Cool. Not sure where the heck I am right now, or even what road this is, but I'm going this way, which is south. That's the right direction. The ultimate goal is to end up at the Ohio River today. Thinking if I keep doing stuff like this, I'm going to end up right where I was going to be anyway. It's just I'm on pavement instead of gravel. So this is Wheelabout Road is what this is called. Okay. Well, I am just wheeling about today. Alright, getting ready to make a left up here, I believe. Pearl McBidden Road. Whoever she is, or was. Okay, if you call this a road, I'll believe it if you do. Too bad my buddy Mike has to work. After all, he was kind enough to send me a 6:10 wake-up call this morning via text message, even though I was already up, and I'm sure he knew that, but it's alright. Mike might be making more money than me today, but who's having more fun? Yeah, that's right. State Forest Road, but that says, well, it says the same thing. But we're turning right here. And then it looks like we're going to be making a pretty quick left. I don't know. Are you as lost as I am? I guess I'm really just not lost. I just don't know where I am. So, which one am I going on? I think I'm making that one? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this one. Yep, that's it. Okay. Honestly, I can't say that I'm disappointed this is chip and seal. It just makes it easier to caulk a bit. Well, it turned into gravel after all. Okay. I mean, after all, gravel maps did say this was gravel. Man, this is freaking awesome. So, if there's any way past middle-aged guys out there contemplating getting, oh cool, an adventure bike, do what I did. Take the plunge, get one. I mean, it doesn't have to be the newest, latest, greatest, or biggest. I've been missing this. This is pretty cool. This is really cool. It looks like we're getting ready to make another turn up here. Can't quite make it out what it's called. But this has turned into some loose, deep gravel if you get out of the tire rut. We're going to slow down for anticipation into this corner, not knowing what I'm coming into. Oh, I'm glad I did. Well, thank you, mister, for giving me so much room. I really, really appreciate that. Okay, it really wasn't a turn. Just more GPS lies. Alright, if my battery lasts long enough till I get back up here to pavement. Looks like we're getting ready to make a left on a state route. I just couldn't tell what it said on the GPS. Got to get my external battery plugged back in also. Alright. State Route 356. Alright, I'm going to make a left and stop somewhere and get my battery all redone. Worley West Road. I'm getting ready to make a right-hand turn on that. It makes some of these names easy to say. Worley West. Say that 10 times real fast. Alright, that last little bit's all been pavement, and we are coming into the town of Albany. I'm going to have to make a stop up here because I got to find something to eat somehow. This is getting to be ridiculous. Alright, I'll check back all with y'all later. Okay, finally found grub. And it's a place I've been before. This school building is a restaurant also. I'd forgotten all about this place. I had breakfast here on my very first ever camping trip. So we are going to have lunch here today. Once in Albany, we're going to hop on 681 for a little while. That should get me to the next leg of this trip. That's hopefully dirt roads again. Well, I'm a little town called Rutland right now on State Route 284. Getting ready to make a right on 124.
Turn right at the stop sign.
Hope GPS isn't messing me up again. I have a feeling it is. 124 west. Alright, I'll be back when I know something. Okay, I'm in Langsville, and this is where this section of it's supposed to start. You can see it here, maybe. As the GPS calls it, Vegan. Making a left on Rowlesville Road.
Turn left on Rollsville Road.
Or Rolls, depending on how you want to pronounce it.
In 1/2 mile, turn right on Kesey Road.
Is it Kesey or is it Keith Road? If anybody truly knows, let me know. Okay, is this even a road? I guess it is. Okay.
In 2 miles, turn left on Ohio 325.
Definitely only a single lane road at that. That's okay. Makes for good scenery. So since there's grass in the center, does that officially make this a 2-track? I'm gonna say it again. It's a beautiful area back here. Not a road I think I'd want to live on in the really bad snow. Got a little bit of this rock on this road too. Hunter's paradise back here, that's for sure. That's probably what he's doing. Good day to be out bow hunting.
In 1/2 mile, turn left on Ohio 325.
Big hole, didn't see that.
Turn left on Ohio 325.
Well, you heard the lady. That's what we'll do up here. Alright, we're on 325 again. I think it's again. Anyway, we're in the little town of Vinton, if you want to call it a town. But the sign said it was. Alright, we're going across the street to Scenic Drive here. I guess there's your town. See where this goes. That's awesome. In the river. Cool. I mean, obviously it's not used anymore for rail traffic, but alright, I found more gravel. Slippery gravel at that. Am I in Nebraska now? I went from really loose gravel to this kind of sort of chip and seal road. And I guess for the last mile it's going to turn back into gravel. Okay. That's what I'm here for. Alright, making a right-hand turn on Summit Road. And look at this. It's more gravel. And more loose gravel, unfortunately. I mean, I guess it's good. I get to learn how to put up with it. But it does make the risk factor go up. Also. Okay, we're on Woods Mill Road. A big lake over there. The big island.
In 2 1/4 miles, turn left on Ohio 325.
Wells Stables. Yeah, it appears the last little bit of this road before I get the 325 turned into gravel. That's kind of cool. Getting ready to turn on Mount Carmel Road. Alright, we're turning left on Ploss Road. And it's gravel. Imagine that. So I'm going to make a left on US 35 here for a minute. But that's a second Tick Ridge Road this morning, or today. I guess it's not morning anymore. I'm going to hop on 279 here.
Turn left on Buckeye Hills Road.
Okay, Buckeye Hills Road. See you in a bit.
Turn right on Kinross Road.
Okay, you heard her. We're making a right. Well, it turned into gravel too. That's nice to know. And a very short metal grate bridge. Okay. I found brand new pavement. Holy crap. We're on Cherry Ridge Road. Yeah, that's it. Cherry Ridge Road. So, I'm not sure if this is the same road or what, but we're making a left here.
Off route. Recalculate.
Hey, thanks for watching. I think I'm going to end part 7 here, and part 8 will be coming out real soon. It will be the final part of my Pat's BDR series. I appreciate you watching. If you would, give me a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below. And over here on the side are a few more videos you can watch. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.